guys, Maserati Alfa Romeo of Daytona Beach inside of a 2019 Maserati Levante GTS. Now, we just got announcements at Geneva, a big auto show for a lot of automakers, and besides Bugatti coming heavy, Koenigsegg, all of them, we want to talk about Maserati Alfa Romeo and what we expected to see and what we actually saw from those automakers. So obviously I wasn't there, but I'm going to show a video and I'm going to show pictures while I talk about everything that went on during the Geneva Auto Show. Let's start with the Alfa Romeo Tonale reveal. Now this is going to be a BMW X1 and Audi Q3 rival. This is Alfa Romeo's new crossover concept that's a plug-in hybrid and a full version that is expected to be ready by 2020. The crossover market is hot, and against compact stuff such as the Q3 and the X1, you definitely need something in the Alfa Romeo range that's going to compete. Why not, right? Now, ahead of the driver's screen, you have a digital screen, there's a 12-inch central screen that handles the infotainment system. Standard stuff these days, obviously, and Alfa has lagged in the infotainment department. When you look at the sides, the position of the front wheels implies a transverse engine, as all rivals have. Won't be on a specific platform, but I've heard things like the Jeep Compass platform that we'll have to wait for the official announcements when the production comes. Now, the Tonale is another Italian mountain pass that's not too far from the Stelvio. So does Alfa need another crossover? Well, Alfa's sales haven't really grown as fast as the company hoped since the Giulia Stelvio has arrived, so launching into the big selling segment should add sales by itself and also add awareness that will help the rest of the range. This is only a concept, and that's Alfa's story and they're sticking to it. But every crease, every panel, glass surface, and even the 21-inch tires and wheels look production ready. Obviously, you have things like the camera mirrors and the light pulsing interior panels, stuff like that that might not make it into production. But this looks incredible. The Tonale incorporates loads of Alfa design cues and clearly appears related to the Stelvio without any hint. The trademark grille is there, but this time it's flanked by 3+3 LED headlights. Also, the shoulder line rises and falls, suggesting the equivalent line on the Giulia GT Junior Coupe. 3+3 lighting signatures is echoed at the rear. Inside, the 4-place interior sure should sprout a fifth seatbelt in production. It's designed to suggest muscular tension, and with the contrast of warm leather and Alcantara against cold aluminum, as well as pulsing ambient lighting, naturally gigantic screens inform and entertain the driver and the front passenger, and new levels of connectivity as promised. The DNA button's dynamic mode will summon full power from the front engine rear electric motor, while a button on the touchscreen further tailors throttle settings, braking response, and steering feel. We'll know more information about the Tonale as the months come. We should expect to see this concept on the road sooner than later. Let's talk about Maserati. Now, while we didn't see the Alfieri, we did see the Maserati Levante Trofeo Launch Edition revealed. Only 100 units of the Trofeo Launch Edition will be produced, and the SUV was showcased at the Geneva Motor Show. Now, the Launch Edition crossover has carbon fiber inserts on the bumper, the side skirts, and the hood. The Levante Launch Edition sits on 22-inch alloy wheels, which can be availed in the choice of matte or a glossy black finish, while the brake calipers are availed in silver, blue, yellow, or red. The Levante Trofeo will be draped in new interiors. One of them is Pelle Tessuta, which is an exclusive new material made by Ermenegildo Zegna, exclusively for Maserati. The Levante Trofeo Launch Edition will be available in blue Emissione Mate, Giallo Modenese, and Rosso Magma. The interior features sport seats and a premium full-grain Piano Flore natural leather with contrasted stitching, and a Trofeo logo embroidered on the headrest, available in blue, red, or yellow. Maserati will also showcase the entire Model 2019 range in the Gran Lusso and Gran Sport trims, Also, Maserati stands will display the Quattroporte S Gran Lusso, customized with the Zinnia Pelusuta, the Maserati Gran Turismo MC in the Grigio Lava Mate color. Now, you also have a new exclusive configuration that will be on display as well. Now we hear Maserati will unveil an exciting one-off model commissioned by one of its customers. We have yet to see what that will be. By the time I post this video, it may be announced, so I will make a specific video on that model as well. But this is what we have from Maserati right now. Great interiors, great colors, and some special models. But we're waiting on the big one. So let me know what you guys think. Now, I did the video on what I thought would happen at Geneva. Obviously, some of those things did not happen. But what do you guys think about what happened as far as the new Ermenegildo Zinnia Silks, colors from Maserati coming out with those kind of different paint jobs, the new Alfa Romeo Tonale? You know, what do you guys think? Do you want more from these brands? Did you want different things? Or did you think that they came correct and they showed off some really nice things for the Geneva Auto Show? Definitely leave the comments down below because I want to talk to you guys about this and see what you guys think about the Alfa Romeo and Maserati brands and their Geneva announcements. I'm definitely looking forward to the Alfieri, the GTV, everything that comes out that is supercar related from the brands. Obviously the SUV market is where it's at right now, so that's what they're concentrating on too at the moment. But I definitely want to get that exciting feeling about the new supercars that are coming out for both Maserati and Alfa. So I'll be looking forward to any new announcements coming out from them. But let me know what you guys think down below. But you gotta give this video a like. It helps get it up in the rankings, helps support the channel. Do that. Also, leave a comment down below what you think and subscribe and click that notification bell for more Maserati Alfa Romeo videos. If you guys want, Patreon's down below. I don't mind you helping out there or checking out any of my social media links, seeing everything before I get it out here to you guys. Funny memes, posts of my car, different things like that, different news stuff, me filming. So definitely check that stuff out if you're interested. With that said, guys, let's see what you guys have to say about the Geneva 2019 Auto Show and what it had to offer. We'll see you guys in the next one. We'll see you guys in the comments. We'll talk to you then. Be blessed, be safe, be good. Peace.